Hey guys, welcome to the channel, Taking a Bath. And the bathroom is the only place where you can play your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. If you want to support the channel, go ahead and check out my ebook, bang, www.themanhimselfonfire.com. Also have a PayPal donation link in the description of the video. All right, guys, so I've been basically drilling it into you guys' head on how you can earn extra income simply with a cell phone, guys. I have several videos on this channel showing you different things you can do, whether you want to make Photoshop a business, basically just making flyers or cards. If you want to learn basic editing skills and you can just edit people's video, or if you want to start doing reviews, have videos showing you guys on how I wrote to companies when I started off and stuff like that. So I want to just give you an example of how easy it is to get started generating extra income. One of the things I always tell you guys is start locally. So find a company and offer your services. Now, you don't have to have $15,000, $12,000 worth of equipment to get started off. I started off my channel with just a cell phone. Of course, I built out with lightings, and you got to make investment, guys, if you want your work to look professional. But there's some things you can do with just creativity that can really separate you from the competition. Just remember, guys, you can do it. You can start earning extra income. So I want to show you this little commercial that I did for a local company. They had just got on Doordash, and basically I ordered it, had my son grab a cell phone, and I did basically the unveiling of the product and then a taste test of the product. Simple as that, guys. Maybe a 15-20 minute process, and then of course you got to go back into edit and add some things. After 3 hours, you got a product that you can put into your portfolio. You can solicit more business from other companies just with a cell phone. You can do it. It's a great way to add extra revenue into your household. All right, enough talking, guys. Let's roll the video. Remember, it's your boy Taking a Bath. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Tomorrow, guys, well, not tomorrow because my dad got a little procedure, but Wednesday I'm going to be doing a review on the cheapest capture card I ever used, and I'm going to put it head to head with the Elgato HD60. All right, man, go ahead and check out our little brother Floyd. See what he got going on there. That's Too Real Seafood, man. Go ahead and order it off of Doordash. Too Real Seafood. What we got popping right here? Woo! Oh, that looking nice. I done went ahead and I done double that. Now look, what them old folks say, everything shine ain't gold. So we about to go ahead and dig in here. Go along for the ride and see what it's hitting for. All right, guys, let me go ahead and dig in there. Got the nice little color on there. Pass the smell test. All right, I see you, fam. Got that, taste like little garlic butter or something right there. See what this potato hitting for. Get that in that sauce. Gotta get it in sauce though. Don't mess with my eggs. Right, I got this egg hardball. Yeah. I'm gonna go back to the sauces right here though. All right, I see you. We go ahead and hit that corn and we get a little sip. Stay hydrated. Oh yeah, that's the real seafood. Seafood too real. Nice size shrimp, man. You ain't getting no baby shrimp right there. See this shrimp hitting for. Nah, you can't. You know, you one of them people, you don't like hot stuff. Look, this ain't no crab bar right here. This gourmet eating right here. Sweet little shrimp, a little hint of sweetness to it. just the right amount of blend. But this is what we here for though, guys. This is what we here for. This is what we here for. Let's go ahead and see what's popping up in here. You heard me? Go ahead and see what's popping up in here. Let's get off up in here. Crack all those knuckles, you heard me? Alright. It's cooked just right. You still got that crunch to that shell, the bounce. Get that meat up in there, man. That meat up in there. Now, I'm letting you know now. I like mine to be fresh and sweet. Yeah. That'll work. That'll work, man. Man, y'all need to start selling some little dip, man. Only thing is missing like a little dip, man. Like your own special little sauce. Look at that, man. Look at that hand, man. Man, y'all better get at your boy. True Real Seafood, Doordash, tip it over. I ain't even get to the corn, huh? All that goodness at the bottom of the pan. That's where it's at. Alright, get out my house. Bye.